Your values are running your business, whether you're aware of them or not. And today, we're talking about where your values come from and why they quietly determine your success or failure as an entrepreneur. Because here's the truth, most people don't quit businesses because they're not capable. They quit because something inside them feels off and they don't know why. So by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why you lose motivation halfway through tasks, why some clients drain you while others energize you, and why forcing discipline never works long term. And once you see this clearly, you'll be able to finish what you start, rebuild trust in yourself, and create a business that feels aligned instead of exhausting. So if you're an entrepreneur or a service provider who wants clarity, consistency, and alignment, not just hustle, subscribe and hit the bell. This channel is for people who actually want to grow without burning out or betraying who they are. I work with entrepreneurs, creatives, professionals who are skilled, motivated, perhaps smart, yet still feel stuck. They tell me things like, I know what to do, I just can't bring myself to do it consistently. And what I've learned is this, it's rarely a discipline problem, it's almost always a values problem. Values problem. I've seen how misalignment causes people to procrastinate, overpromise to clients, and slowly lose confidence in themselves. That's why this conversation matters. Here's something most people don't realize. Your values were installed before you ever started your business. From birth to age 7, you absorbed beliefs without question. From 7 to 14, you copied role models and authority figures. From 14 to 21, society shaped what you thought success looked like. These stages programmed how you see work, responsibility, money, and commitment long before you ever chose entrepreneurship. So, when you avoid certain tasks, it's not laziness. It's your values saying, this doesn't match who I am. That resistance you feel before sending a proposal, following up with a client, or delivering